So let's just say if I have a tissue in my body or in animal's body, if I want to detect what kind of chemical compound within that piece of tissue, then a biosensor is a device that can actually detect and find out and categorize what kind of chemical is in there. And that gives us what is the concentration, how much is in it, and so on. So that is the device what we refer to as a biosensor.
The biosensor is unique because we can make a lot of measurements in real time and lots of them at the same time. So again, this gives us a much fuller perspective of what is actually going on.
Our biosensor uses electrode-containing computer chips to detect key molecules that provide signals that cells use to communicate. With the ability to provide an unprecedented view of cellular communication and interaction, we can now understand the chemical movements in live tissue from different organs of the body. By monitoring the communication between cells, this biosensor has the ability to provide diagnostic tools and research data that will help obtain information needed to find cures for disease, such as infertility, kidney failure in the elderly, epileptic seizures, cancer, and hundreds of other conditions.
How do you know you're sick? You have to measure something. If it's as simple as, your kid and are they sick, the first thing you do is grab a thermometer and measure, take their temperature, right? This particular technology is going to give us a unique ability to make measurements in a way that nobody's ever been able to make a measurement before.
So if we can develop a device that can detect changes in advance,
we have a way to make those measurements now, we think, that will really shape the future of our understanding of kind of those fundamental disease pathologies.
We currently have some funding from National Science Foundation, and that seed funding allow us to make progress to a point that we actually have certain devices that we can actually do further testing. But we need continuation of this project to actually do more thorough testing on different subjects, and that is what this crowdfunding money is intended for.